This 2025 Jayco J Feather 27MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 33 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, air conditioning, LP detector, awning, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, leveling jacks, external shower, oven, skylight, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco J Feather 27MK is 7,305 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.